The sound bag is back, not the sound jar. The sound bag, it still works the same though. Something inside of this bag starts with the letter U. It's not the U sound of you, it's the sound of you. And it is the opposite of down. It's where your balloon will go if it has helium in it. And if you point this way, you'll be pointing at the sky. What could it be in this bag that's the opposite of down? That if you point this way, you'll be pointing at the sky. Can I hear you? I heard somebody say it. The opposite of down is up. Do you see the arrow pointing up? This is the arrow pointing down. This is the opposite. It's pointing up.